Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's session. And today we will cover our lesson number 2 from standard ninth, that is input and output devices. Today we will cover printer portions. Look, students, we were discussing about the output devices, and in output devices, printers are the main and a very important output device uh, because of the printer, we can take a hard copy of our file which we prepare in our computer, right? So we have basically two types of printers. Number one, impact printer, and another one is non-impact printer. Impact printers allow physical contact with the printer head and paper, that is they printed by the impact of the dot wires on paper. They are also called character printers. Look, students, why we called it character printer? Because character means any alphabet. It may be in Hindi or it may be in English. If you are familiar or known to old typewriter, then you can understand it very easily, because in typewriter we have same keys as we have in dot matrix impact printers, right? Impact means to make some impression. And what was the process of these type of computers? Look, students, you can see this ring in the picture, and every ring is connected with a pin, just like a needle. And on the upper side of this, every needle has an alphabet. And when the printer is runs, then every alphabet strike on the ribbon. There was a ribbon, and when it strike on the ribbon, on the other side of ribbon there always used a white paper. White paper, yes. When it strike on it, then the due to the ribbon of, just like carbon paper which you use in your daily life, right? When you prepare a copy of the main document, then we used carbon copy, right now. So carbon, just like a carbon, there was a ribbon, black color, blue color, red color, right? Main three colors ribbon was there. Sometimes in very important time, green color also was there. Okay, so when these alphabet strikes to the ribbon, and the impression automatically comes on the page on the other side, right, students? So in this way it make an impact or make an impression on the page. That's why we called it impact printers. In impact printers we have so many types, just like daisy wheel printer, which I told you recently, right? And another one, the speed of these type of printers varies from 60 cps character per second to 120 cps character per second. They are not in use anymore since they were very slow and noisy. Look, students, they were very noisy. Why? Because they strike, every alphabet strike on the ribbon, and due to it produce so many sound, so many noise. So now, and these printers were very slow also. In this way you can say we can't use nowadays these kinds of printers. So daisy wheel printer chapter is over. Next is dot matrix printers. Dot matrix printers, you can see the picture of it. There was a head inside it, and I am showing you by the picture. Let me show you. I'm using Google here. Dot matrix printer working. Let me play the video. With the help of, you can see it very clear. Look, students, it was the dot matrix printer, and when we switch it on, the light automatically comes, right? Look, you can see something is moving. Now you can look very clearly. That was a head which is moving on the page, and in between we have a ribbon. We can see you with the zoom. Let me enlarge the picture. Look, student, there was a ribbon, and dot matrix printer is moving, and on the other side of the page, on the other side of this ribbon, there was a page, you can see, and very slowly print is coming up, and it is printed due to this head. This head has some pins. Let's come back. Okay, so these were the dot matrix printer which you can see in this picture. It has 9 to 24 pins on the head. They use matrix to small pins. Matrix, which what is the matrix? Matrix are the some arranged dots. Some arranged dots. We called arranged dots a matrix. Just like one dot here, then below it, then below it, and the same way at the left hand side and right hand side. We have so many dots. These dots can be vary from 9 to 24 pins. And the best quality was with 24 pins. When 24 needles strike on the page to draw any image or draw any alphabet that which you see in that video. Okay, so the speed of these type of printer was 50 character per second. Means in 1 second it can print 50 characters, 50 alphabets, or 500 character per second. You can see it was very fast. Then daisy wheel printer. In daisy wheel printer, we have maximum 120 CPS. But in dot matrix printer, we have up to 500 character per second, 500 CPS. Okay. Now, as they are robust in the nature, they can be used in rough conditions. Okay. Because we can use them in any condition. It may be in dusty condition, it may be in high temperature, low temperature, no problem at all. These printers are very hard duty printers, right? Next is non-impact, because these two were impact printers because they make impact on the ribbon to print on the page. Now non-impact printer, where we no need to give any impact on the page, right? So non-impact printer do not allow physical contact with the printing head and paper. They do not strike against the linked ribbon or the paper which is paper uh, which is being printed. Only the ink used for printing touches the paper. Non-impact printers have gained popularity because they are comparatively quieter than the impact printer and have better quality. Students, you can see so many printers in your school also, in many offices, and just like a photostat machine. There is no need to physically contact with the paper. In those printers, daisy wheel and dot matrix, we have to make physical contact with the paper, right? Because every alphabet is impact on the paper. But in non-impact printer, there was no need of it, right now. So there was no need of physically contact, because there was no strike on the paper. Just impression comes on the paper and paper print in very high quality. So we have non-impact printers categorized as thermal printer, inkjet printer. Let me turn the next page. Okay. Thermal printers. Thermal printers use a special head sensitive paper. Characters are formed when heated elements come in contact with the heat sensitive paper, thus forming darkness dot. The standard of printing produced is poor. Thermal printers are widely used in battery powered equipments such as portable calculator, etc. You can see the screen of any calculator. They can display the alpha, they can display the numbers mostly, and they are not in so much very high quality, right now. So thermal printer was the non-impact printers, but they are not in very good condition of as well as paper quality is concerned, right? Next is inkjet printer. They are much better printer than thermal printer. They produce image by spraying tiny droplets on ink onto the paper. They are very high quality output and can also produce colored graphics. Look, students, when you spray something, on any paper, then you can see the ink spray create some image. If you spray them in very perfect manner, you can draw anything. Many painters use this technique also. In the same way, inkjet printers has a head, and they have some colors bottle inside it, or in head you can uh, put some or fill some color in the its cartridge, you can say, or its head. Just like inkjet printer use colored cartridges which combine magenta, yellow, and cyan ink link to create your create color tones. With the help of these color, a printer can create any kind of color, right? A black cartridge is also used for crisp monochrome output, right, beta? So they are cheap and ideal for the home office. The cartridge is quite costly and need to be replaced more frequently than a laser printer. Now, students, there was a problem that it can't print maximum paper or more than 100 to 100 papers, right? Because it is for home, because we mostly print normal papers, we never print colored papers. So for home and office, they were very cheap. The cost was very low of per paper, you can say. But when we are talking about in office, sorry, uh, in professional manner, when we need some colored output, then they were very costly, right? Because the cartridge was very costly of them. Clear? Now next comes laser printer. Nowadays we are using these kind of printer. uh, Laser printer just like a photostat machine, you can read also. These printer use photocopy technology to print. Laser printers use a laser beam and dry powdered ink to produce a fine dot matrix pattern. When I hope you all see the photostat machine and its technique as well, because when you put any paper into the photostat machine and press start button, then one laser beam come under it and it scan all the paper and print the same. मतलब you can say कि make the same impression on the paper which is inside the photostat machine and make a copy of it, right? So the same technique used by the laser printer. When you give any command from the computer, it store all the image at once. It stores all the image at once, and after that it automatically make the make a copy of the paper or of the file which you give command to the printer, right? Now what was the quality of it, or what is the quality of it, you can say. They can also produce very high quality images. They are mostly used for desktop publishing purpose. They can print about 6 to 10 pages per minute. They have a very high resolution ranging from 600 to 1200 dpi dot per inch at very high speed. Just like in a look, you can imagine the it can print 6 to 10 pages per minute. It is very high speed, right? So we are using these kinds of photostat, uh, uh, just like photostat machine, but they are printers, laser printers. Okay, students. In offices, you can see in our school as well, we have laser printers nowadays. Okay, so 3D printers. What are the use of 3D printers? 3D printers are remarkable machines that can make everyday things in different materials in all forms. Objects are created in 3D using additive processes. What is it? 3D printers are remarkable machines that can make everyday things in different material in all forms. 3D printing, what is 3D printing? 3D printing, it is not show on the paper only, right? It can be on glass, or it can be on prism, or it will show as original person is inside the prism. You can't imagine that what a 3D printer can do. This in this process, an output is created by the laying down successive layer of material until an object is entirely made. Again and again, every printing is made some layers. Okay, I am showing you some 3D printers output. Wait. You can't imagine when you will see what is 3D printing. Look, students, I'm going on directly on the 3D paper. It is unboxing, but we are going on directly to the 3D printers. Look, students, you can see the process. Look, every time it creates a layer, and these kinds of toys or anything else you can see in 3D printing. Look from there. Look, students, this is 3D printers and it is creating. Look, everything is created by this and with that different kind of material. It is finished now. We can't even imagine that a printer can do this. We always thought that machines, with the help of machine, we created it. But my dear students, you can see the power of 3D printing, right? One more video is there. Look, it is now starting. Slowly, 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 with the help of material. Look, it creates a flask. Look now. Okay, this is our 3D printing. Another example. When you create, first you create in the computer and you decide the color. Now it is starting. You can see. Everything is created by the drops. You can see some material drops is coming directly to the shape and it will create a shape accurately same which you design in the computer. It looks very interesting to see, right? These kind of output is or printers are very costly, right? Special kind of job which a person want to perform, they only use these kinds of printers, not everyone. Okay, beta? So this is our 3D printing. Clear? Let's move to the point. Okay, now these were the 3D printers as you can see in this picture. I show you the video so that you can understand it very clearly. I hope you understand. Next is speaker. This is output. We all know about the speaker. Speaker can produce the output as a sound in the form of sound from a computer, right? Next is plotters. Plotters are also a type of printer. It's a big printer and these are used for preparing big maps, right? So I'm showing you one kind of, we have two types of plotters, you can say. First is flatbed, just like it, flatbed. It's a straight printing. It always make a straight printing. And next is drum plotter, flatbed plotter. And the second is drum. Drum means rolling. Every paper is rolled and the drum in the form of drum, right? And it makes some printout. I am showing you both the working of plotter, working of flat bed plotter. It will take only 1 minute. This one you can observe here. Look, student. Let me pause the video. Look, students, this is our plotter, flat bed plotter, right? And this is head, and inside it we have some ink. Okay, now this is the working of it. It always moves on the on the page which we set. Look, this is the page, and its roll automatically comes on the sheet, on the flatbed. This is our flatbed, and page is coming. You can see. Now it's okay. Now the printer is starting to print. You mostly see these kinds of plotters on the customized shop of bikes or cars, when they create some stickers for your bike or car. Just like if you want to write petrol or diesel or any sticker you want to cut, then they also use plotters. they, those machines are also plotters, and the same technique they also used. I hope especially boys can connect with it, because most of the time they try to prepare sticker according to their requirement. Okay, so this is our flatbed scanners, and after it, uh, flatbed plotter, sorry, not scanner, it's a flatbed plotter. You can stop it anywhere like this. This is our button, stop button, right? And next is a drum plotter. Okay, this is the working of drum plotter. The eject printer is used by the bike customizers, as I told you. Look, it is a drum. It always draw. The speed is different with different type of plotters. These are the connections, and the plotter is cutting the sticker. Clear? So the same technique we used in drum plotters. Okay, students, today I am ending this meeting, but before it I am taking your attendance. After it, I will unmute you all so that you can ask any question if you have. Okay, students, if you want to ask anything, you can ask, because we have last 3 minutes. I hope there is no problem. So, okay, I am ending this meeting, beta. If you still have any kind of doubt regarding today's lesson, then you can contact me personally also. You all have my number and my WhatsApp number. Okay, stay home, stay safe.